Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with Microsoft announces $4 million bug bounty for AI and cloud vulnerabilities. Apple issues emergency update for 2 exploited 0-day bugs. We have Ford probes data breach affecting 44,000 customers. Then we have Accenture which boosts cybersecurity with AI and quantum security solutions. We have Reddit which faces consecutive outages, investigates bug. Google AI identifies decade-old OpenSSL vulnerabilities. Paytm enables international UPI payments in 6 countries. In the previous quiz, we asked you in which decade was the first transatlantic radio broadcast occur. The answer is 1900 decade. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Which company makes the PlayStation? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. Microsoft has introduced the Zero-Day Quest, a $4 million bug bounty program, incentivizing researchers to identify vulnerabilities in AI cloud and cloud system. The initiative includes multiplied rewards for specific scenarios and access to Microsoft engineers. Participants may also attend an on-site hacking event at Microsoft's Redmond headquarters in 2025. Vice President Tom Gallagher highlighted the program's focus on collaboration with external researchers to enhance safety. The initiative underscores Microsoft's commitment to strengthening cybersecurity amidst rising AI-driven threat while fostering innovation through ethical research and partnerships. Then we have Apple, which has released critical updates across its devices including iPhone, iPads, Macs and Safari, addressing 2 zero-day vulnerability actively exploited by attackers. The flaws, which are identified as CVE 2024-44308 and CVE 2024-44309, involve malicious code execution and cross-site scripting issues in WebKit. Researchers from Google uncovered the flaws believed to have been used in targeted spyware attack. Affected devices include iPhone XS and newer, along with various iPads and macOS systems. Apple urges users to update immediately to mitigate potential risk. These vulnerabilities mark Apple's 4th zero-day patch this year, highlighting the growing sophistication of cyber threats and the critical need for timely updates to secure user data and systems. Then we have Ford Motor Company, which is investigating an alleged data breach involving 44,000 consumer records leaked by a hacker identified as Energy Weapon User. The data reportedly obtained from an internal database includes names, addresses, as well as purchase details of customers from countries like the US, China, and Zimbabwe. Security researcher from RansomDB revealed the breach, raising concern over the potential identity theft and phishing scams. Ford has acknowledged the investigation but has not confirmed the breach. The company's spokesperson stated that inquiry is ongoing and customers are advised to monitor their accounts for unusual activity. If confirmed, this incident could tarnish Ford's reputation and highlight the increasing risk of cyber attack on global corporations. Experts stress the importance of strengthening cybersecurity measures to safeguard sensitive information. Then we have Accenture, which has launched advanced cybersecurity solution to counter AI-driven attack and deepfake scam. Citing a 223% rise in dark web trading of deepfake tools in 2024, its new offerings include generative AI defenses and quantum safe technology. Julie Sweet emphasized real-time detection and securing digital supply chain. Accenture is also expanding its infrastructure with a Gen AI security studio in Brussels and a quantum security center in Bangalore. This initiative aims to bolster defenses against sophisticated cyber threat. With cybercriminal exploiting AI, Accenture's efforts position organizations to navigate the evolving threat landscape effectively. Now, Reddit has experienced consecutive outages within 24 hours, leaving thousands of users unable to access the platform. According to Down Detector, over 75,000 global users reported the issue, with most complaints related to the app and website. In India, over 1,200 users face similar problems. Reddit attributed the issue to a bug in a recent update and implemented a fix shortly after. The platform is currently monitoring performance to ensure stability. The recurring outages underline the challenges of maintaining large-scale online platform and critical need for robust infrastructure to prevent service disruption. Google's OSS Fuzz team, leveraging AI-powered tool, has discovered 26 security flaws, including a critical vulnerability in OpenSSL that went undetected for 2 decades. Now designated as the flaw, this enables remote code execution and application crashes. This breakthrough demonstrates the potential of AI-driven fuzzing in identifying long-standing security weaknesses missed by manual methods. A fix of the vulnerability was released on October 16, reinforcing the importance of AI in enhancing cybersecurity. Google aims to automate vulnerability detection fully, improving software security and potential exploits. The discovery underscores the transformative role of AI in fortifying internet infrastructure and preempting emerging threats. Last but not the least, Indian travelers can now make cashless payments in the UAE, Singapore, France, Mauritius, Bhutan, and Nepal through Paytm's international UPI feature. The service allows secure transaction at UPI accepting merchants abroad, offering convenience and transparency. To activate, users need a one-time setup linked to their bank account via the Paytm app. Upon scanning a UPI-enabled QR code overseas, the app prompts users to enable the service. Now, travelers can set a usage period between 1 day and 90 days based on their trip duration, with the option to deactivate upon returning to India. The service is also provide upfront details on exchange rate and conversion fee, ensuring transparency. A Paytm spokesperson stated this innovation enhanced the holiday experience by enabling seamless payments abroad, reaffirming our commitment to user empowerment globally. With the holiday season approaching, this feature simplifies expenses for Indian travelers at shopping and dining venues worldwide. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.